Accessing ABC via YouTube TV's free trial. YouTube TV offers a free trial period for new subscribers, providing access to over 100 live channels, including ABC. To utilize this trial for watching ABC content, follow these steps. Step number 1. Check availability in your region. YouTube TV is currently available only in the United States. Step number 2. Sign up for the free trial. If YouTube TV is available in your region, visit the YouTube TV website and click on Try it free. Create a new account or sign in with your existing Google account. Enter your payment information. Note that you won't be charged until the free trial period ends. Step number 3. Access ABC content. During the free trial, you can watch ABC Live and access on-demand content through the YouTube TV interface. Utilize the unlimited cloud DVR feature to record ABC shows and watch them at your convenience. Step number 4. Manage your subscription. To avoid charges, ensure you cancel your subscription before the trial period ends. You can manage or cancel your subscription through your account settings on the YouTube TV website.